Tajikistan. Oh, early drop there, bit of a slip. Is that minus 44 kilos, Youth B finals. Rapid speed at this size. Not even sure what you call minus 44 kilos. But these are two dangerous, talented young men here. Closes up, gets those double underhooks. And a body clinch to the ground, but scrambles out. In on that single, looking to convert. Very good. Like I said, these guys are rapid. Needs to be careful of that arm. Grasping hold of this leg now, maybe looking for a knee bar. Straight leg lock. Referee stepping in. And standing them up. I do believe it's illegal to attempt knee bars at Youth B. You can go for straight ankle locks, but nothing else. So referee separates and stands them back to their feet. Tajikistan represented in the blue corner. Taking on Uzbekistan in the red. Ismoil in the blue on top. For Tajikistan, needs to be aware of his neck here. Dar's choke from the bottom. Looks to be tightening as well. Looks calm and in control, but this is definitely getting tight now. Tries to create more purchase on the legs. Maybe get an arch in the back. But maintaining the top position. Is Ismoil. Mukhammadali on the bottom here, attempting this choke from Uzbekistan. Stalling maybe just a little bit. Has had most of the dominance early on, but right now is on the bottom. Needs to be aware of the Von Flue choke. Good posture and shoulder pressure, manages to release the head. Great work from Tajikistan. A little bit of a slip again. Trying to sneak past the legs. Nice shot. Knee on belly. Goes try and get to the mount. But Garda again brings them both to their feet. Beautiful body kick off the left leg. And great balance. Another body kick again. This time results in a single leg takedown. Nice scramble from the bottom, trying to create space. A very ferocious back and forth battle here. Tightly competed here in our finals. This is our Youth B minus 44 kilograms final. Uzbekistan versus Tajikistan. Both nations well represented here at the 2022 Youth World Championships. Let's see how the judges have this one.
And overall kings, free, your winner is Uzbekistan.
And Uzbekistan take home the gold medal. Mukhammadali Tears of joy from that young man. Extreme talent showed. We had England represented in our red corner by Bradley McDonough, taking on Brendan Cermak from the United States. This is our 48 kilogram semi-finals in the Youth B category for the Youth World Championships in 2022.